a quiet dawn at Lost Lagoon. We are going in search of the beaver. The beaver is said to inhabit these areas in the western shore. Is this evidence of the beaver? I would suspect so. I mean, what else would pile a bunch of sticks and try and block this creek? Lots of ducks. No visible beaver. Definitely more beaver handiwork here, just a little bit farther west towards Second Beach on the little wooden bridge here. Now walking in muck in search of the beaver at Lost Lagoon. Once again, the beaver remains elusive. Success! The beaver is actually swimming in the ocean. I did not expect to see the beaver here after searching all morning at Lost Lagoon. And there he goes, swimming back towards Lost Lagoon. Not sure what he's doing out here at this early hour. Probably looking for stuff to build his den. So awesome. I've been looking for the beaver for quite some time. And there he goes. Well, I'm pretty stoked that I actually saw the beaver just a little bit on the, I guess just a little bit northeast of Siwash Rock, swimming in the ocean. Totally just out of the blue.